Numerous chances exist to earn a living utilizing cutting-edge innovation, but it's vital to remember that doing so typically takes a lot of time, energy, and focus. Let me introduce to you some ways that modern technology may be used to generate this levels of revenue. First, putting money into IT businesses that are creating innovative products is a viable option for making a profit. For instance, if you invest $1,000 in a tech firm and it eventually goes public or is bought, you may make $5,000. Investment in each firm comes with its own set of challenges, and results from the past are no guarantee of future success. Second, making money through the creation of apps or software. Creating apps or software that solves a particular problem or caters to a certain market can be lucrative. Make money through in-app sales, advertising, or subscription models, for instance, if your software is downloaded and used by millions of people. Earnings potential might vary from several hundred to several $1,000s monthly, depending on download volume and monetization strategy. Third, earning money is possible through the development of online courses or electronic publications that instruct readers in the usage of emerging technology. An online course that teaches individuals how to utilize a new programming language, for instance, might easily fetch $50 or more from each purchaser. Monthly earnings are likely to be anywhere from several $100s to tens of thousands of dollars, depending on the demand for the course and the price you choose. Fourth, your money into cryptocurrencies has the potential to be a lucrative financial move. If you invest $1,000 in Bitcoin and it climbs in value by 50%, you will make $500. However, keep in mind that the cryptocurrency market is extremely volatile and the value of any given cryptocurrency might change dramatically. Fifth, one option to generate money is to launch a YouTube channel or podcast devoted to discussing the latest technological developments. Create a YouTube channel with thousands of subscribers, and you might monetize it through ads and product placement. Earnings each month might vary from a few $100s to the tens of thousands of dollars, depending on the popularity of your channel and the monetization strategy you choose. It's worth noting that your earnings potential in each of these areas will vary substantially based on a variety of things, such as your level of expertise, your level of commitment, and the technology you choose to specialize in. It's also crucial to keep things in perspective.